Starting a digital venture is exciting, but the path is often filled with potential missteps. This video is designed to act as a crucial warning sign, highlighting the most common pitfalls new entrepreneurs encounter. By avoiding these 5 mistakes will save your new online business from unnecessary struggles or even outright failure. If you're in the process of starting an online business or have just launched, understanding these common online business mistakes is absolutely vital to protect your hard work and pave the way for a profitable online business. Many hopeful founders face similar new online business problems, often unknowingly. Let's dive into the key online business mistakes to avoid right from the outset. Mistake 1. Trying to appeal to everyone. This is one of the biggest starting an online business mistakes. When you try to serve everyone, you end up resonating with no one. Your messaging becomes generic, your marketing is scattered, and it's hard to stand out. How to avoid. Get laser-focused on a specific group of people. Who are they? What are their unique needs and desires related to your offering? Tailor your language, products, and marketing directly to them. This clarity is essential to save your online business from being invisible. Mistake 2. Neglecting marketing from day one. Many new businesses build their product or service and then simply wait for customers to appear. This is a critical error among common online business mistakes. The online world is noisy. People need to be shown where to find you. How to avoid. Integrate marketing into your launch plan and ongoing operations from the beginning. This doesn't require a huge budget initially. It's about consistent effort in free channels like social media, email, or content creation where your target audience spends time. Proactive marketing online business beginners should learn is non-negotiable. Mistake 3. Undervaluing your offerings. Pricing your products or services too low is a common trap. It can make your business unsustainable, attract the wrong type of customer, and make it difficult to scale. This undervaluation is among the subtle online business mistakes to avoid. How to avoid. Research what others charge for similar value. Understand the real cost of delivering your product or service, including your time. Price for profitability and perceived value. It's easier to offer discounts later than to raise prices significantly. Correct pricing is key to building a profitable online business. Mistake 4. Lacking patience and consistency. Building momentum online takes time. Many new ventures fail because the founder gives up too soon, expecting overnight success. This impatience is a significant factor in online business failure reasons. How to avoid. Set realistic expectations. Understand that growth is often gradual. Establish consistent habits for marketing, content creation, and engaging with your audience. Celebrate small wins and learn from setbacks. Persistence is a superpower that will save your online business during slow periods. Mistake 5. Failing to learn and adapt. The digital landscape is constantly changing. Relying solely on your initial plan without seeking feedback, analyzing results, or staying updated on market trends is a sure way to fall behind. This resistance to learning is a crucial error among launching an online business mistakes. How to avoid. Actively seek feedback from early customers. Use simple analytics to see what's working and what isn't. Stay curious about changes in your niche and the online tools available. Be willing to pivot your strategy based on real-world data and insights. Continuous learning is essential to prevent online business failure. Avoiding these specific online business mistakes to avoid is not just helpful, but it's often the key difference between survival and struggle for new ventures. By steering clear of these common online business mistakes, you significantly increase your chances of building a sustainable and profitable online business. If understanding these pitfalls helps you feel more prepared for starting an online business, please like the video. Ready to successfully launch an online business and avoid these new online business problems? Subscribe for more essential tips and guides to help save your online business and achieve your goals. Which of these online business mistakes do you think is the most dangerous? Let me know in the comments below.